So what we're trying to do in our research here is think about approaches to leadership in early childhood services that are distinctive and appropriate for the particular professional and industrial contexts of early childhood. There are lots of educational leadership models available, but they've mostly come out of business or out of schools, and it's an open question for us: is there still an approach to leadership that can be distinctive, that we haven't yet developed for the early childhood sector? One of the things that really interests me in the data that ACECQA brings together in relation to the national profile around assessments of centres, around the accreditation process, is the relationship between Quality Area 1, where we see that cycle of observation, assessment, planning and so forth, and Quality Area 7, which includes aspects of educational leadership. Correlation isn't the same as causality, but what we see is that the stronger services are performing in Quality Area 7, the more likely they are to be doing well in Quality Area 1. Now, it may be that services with excellent programs are attracting really effective leaders, or it may be that really effective leaders are helping develop Quality Area 1. Honestly, I suspect it's a bit of both. But one of the things that really interests me is how do we keep thinking and evolving as the national quality standards are tweaked and revised, as we keep learning from assessments of the early childhood system as a whole, at the service level, at the state level, at the whole of Australia level. How do we keep learning and tweaking? How do we keep up with those changes, and how do educational leaders stay alert to those changes and keep learning and developing their practice at the same time? Not that the national quality standards should necessarily drive the work of educational leaders, but how do educational leaders think in critical and reflective ways about what is explicit and what is implicit in the national quality standard, and where they can use their leadership skills most effectively to develop the program of their particular service.